Newberry is a great Division II college with a huge number of student athletes. They have over 700 student athletes here. They have to have personnel at every level. You gotta have a coach, you gotta have a trainer, you gotta have doctors like me in case somebody gets injured. You have to have physical therapists, nutritionists, strength and conditioning coaches. We try to create a complete circle of health for both prevention and taking care of injuries.
The benefit between Newberry and Prisma, I think, is a partnership. I think it's a partnership of healthcare, wellness. We try to encompass mental health, well-being. We're able to do that through the athletic training staff that we have here, physical therapy, and also some of the nutrition stuff at Apex. We've had kids use the motion analysis lab. What's nice is with the physicians that we have here, Dr. Holmes, Dr. Nugent, and also Dr. Kyle Arthur, they're of the same mindset as the training staff I have here and the physical therapy staff. We're trying to get our student athletes back on the field when they do get injured as quickly and safely as possible.
We are sports medicine fellowship trained physicians. So this is what we like to do. We have a lot of schools. What a lot of people don't realize, it's not just the athletic trainer providing these services or just the physician providing the services. It's the collaboration and a whole network of people that come together to provide excellent care.
The sports medicine program specifically at Newberry allows the athletes to start in the best position they can by having expertise in athletic trainers to get them healthy, help guide their preseason preparations, and then the ability from the sports medicine orthopedic department to have physicians here ready to evaluate them quickly, to make the decision whether they're safe to continue playing or if we need more intervention. That's invaluable to have that access quickly.
The value that the athletic training staff and the physical therapy staff bring to Newberry College and its athletes, we bring a good amount of experience. Our head athletic trainer, Greg McMillan, is a 30-year athletic trainer with 20+ years at the NFL level with the Buffalo Bills. We have 8 athletic trainers and 3 interns from various colleges in the area, including University of South Carolina and Western Carolina. And we have myself, the physical therapist here. I bring 25 years of experience to the campus so that student athletes will be seen by a highly qualified group of people.
Any old ball coach can tell you, you can't win it all if you don't have them on the field. Prisma Health keeps our kids on the field, and we've been very successful because of that. The doctors at Prisma Health do an awesome job with our kids, and they keep them healthy and give them an opportunity to continue to compete. The trainers every day, rain, snow, sun, million degrees, those guys are out there every day doing a great job for our kids. The physical therapist, if it wasn't for those guys, we wouldn't be able to get them back out on the field, so they do an awesome job.
The benefit of the partnership with Prisma Health is the resources they give us. Their athletic trainers, the doctor's clinic, the doctors they're providing us as our team doctors, and then also our physical therapy, and having it all on campus.
Baseball, you got a lot of arm injuries, whether you got UCL and Tommy John or you got rotator cuff, a labrum. We've had a high success rate of injuries coming back and being better really when they get back than they were before. So Prisma Health has a lot to do with the success of our program.
Prisma Health athletic trainers and the physical therapists really develop this bond with our girls. And it's really nice to be able to walk into the athletic training room and watch them have this connection with our players and knowing that they're, again, in good hands, that they're going to be taken care of and they're being listened to and their bodies are being understood so that they're able to get back on that playing field, recover, get the physical therapy that they need. You know, they develop these outside relationships with the student athletes, and it's really nice to see. And it's nice to know that it's not just to come in and do work, there's a relationship there.
The value that I personally bring to Newberry College is a passion for sports medicine, which started when I was young and athletic and got injured. Since I can't be an athlete, I get to take care of them. So we have a big passion for taking care of athletes, big believer in team sports and how they build individual character. And so I'm really a big fan, both the sports and the program here at Newberry College.